Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I want to show you how you can make some bulk edit using YouTube Studio, but I will also show you how you can use tubebuddy to do some other bulk editing that YouTube Studio features don't have. First of all, let me tell you that I have been using tubebuddy for a while now and I've been loving it. It does save me a lot of time, and I don't want to overwhelm you with a lot of information about it, but I do want to show you one of the things that has saved me the most of the time. So let's go straight to my computer. So right now I am here on my YouTube Studio, and you can see that here on my content I have all my videos, right? And you can try to bulk edit with YouTube Studio by selecting all the videos, okay? So you will click on this select all checkbox, and then you can click on edit, add to playlist, or more actions if you want to do something like deleting forever in more actions, or if you want to bulk adding to a playlist, so a bunch of videos, and maybe you want to edit certain thing like a title, a description, you want to add maybe your website link on a description. You can do those kind of things using just YouTube Studio bulk editing actions. But what you cannot do is to edit the end screens, and let's check for that right here. Okay, so no, you cannot change the end screens by bulk editing with just YouTube Studio. So I'm gonna show you how you can use tubebuddy features so you can bulk edit your end screens on your videos, okay? So I'm gonna show you bulk miss tools right here, and then you need to go to this option where it says bulk end screens, and then you can choose either copy, update, or delete end screens. So for example, in my case, I used to use my end screens with a subscribe button and then also the best for viewer, and then I will add a playlist related to that video. However, lately I've seen one of Catherine Manning's videos, and she shared that she uses the latest upload in one of the end screen cards. So I'm gonna show you how you can update these by just copying this end screen card to your oldest videos, okay? So I'm gonna choose copy, and I'm gonna choose my latest video, then I'm gonna continue. I do want to copy the subscribe element, also the most recent upload, and also what is the best for viewer video, and I'm gonna click on continue. Then I want to see a full list of all my videos, and then I'm gonna click on continue. Then it will bring the 213 videos I have. I'm going to select all of them. I'm gonna click on continue, and then it says please confirm that you want to copy 3 end screens to the 213 videos. I'm saying yes, continue with bulk copying, and then delete all existing end screen elements from destination videos before copying. If you don't check this box, then it will try to copy your elements, and the ones that you have already, they will be still there. So it will generate a list of errors and won't do the job, okay? So I'm gonna check this checkbox right here, and then I'm gonna remove this one because all of my videos already have end screen elements. I just want them to be like the one that I just updated last week, and I'm gonna click on start copying button. It will start and it will bring the errors. You can always see why it has an error, but all these videos have been updated successfully. I have been updating already 16-17 videos from the 213 videos. and I guess it will take a while. As you can see here, it says the video ID. Let me know in the comments down below if you're interested in knowing how to get your video ID, or let us know also if you already know how to get your video ID from YouTube Studio. So the videos completed successfully have been more than 61, and right now almost 80 videos done. I have here 13 videos that have been having errors. I'm noticing that all of these are either shorts or they are lives, so I'm gonna check out those videos afterwards. The purpose of this video is just showing you how you can bulk copy end screens using tubebuddy. Let's do a fast forward on this video. Okay, only 2 more videos and we are done. Okay, so all of these videos were completed successfully, and we are going to check how they were updated. And these ones had errors, and I'm gonna check this one. Request contains an invalid argument. Those will be checked later, and let's see if this one, that is one of my oldest videos, I'm gonna check this one right here, B-Tech Kitty Bits. Okay, so it should have the new end screen. I'm gonna go and check that out right now. I'm gonna close this out and I'm gonna go to my content. I am going to go and close this filter, and then I'm gonna go by date. This video was one of my oldest videos, but my second video, and I'm going just to click on the video and I'm gonna go and see the end screen. As you can see, it has most recent upload and best per viewer, which is what we chose to be copied, and it saved me a lot of time to do this at once. Okay, and you can do that as well with the description, and I'm going to show you how you can do the description just by using YouTube Studio without the need of tubebuddy. But if you're interested in getting this feature from tubebuddy, please check the link that I am going to add on my description, and you can get tubebuddy from there. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to know about more of the features that tubebuddy has for you. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.